At Coleg we're always seeking groundbreaking ways to prepare our learners for the real world of employment. That's why we've embraced the health, safety and environment workshops developed by Immersive Factory. Learners, especially in construction and engineering, step into realistic, high-risk situations, but in a safe, controlled environment. With highly engaging virtual reality experiences, we bring health and safety scenarios to life like never before. This hands-on, interactive approach builds real confidence and understanding, so when they enter the workplace, they're not just knowledgeable, but truly prepared. From navigating complex public works to working safely at height, these virtual reality experiences let learners hone their skills, make decisions under pressure, and learn from mistakes without real-world consequences. Please continue to join us and hear from both staff and learners about how Immersive Factory is reshaping health, safety, and environment education at Coleg.